See problem number 15. Fine. Let us start solving it. Jubaida took a loan of rupees 4,000 on 12% annual interest. After 3 years, how much money she will have to return? Right. It's a simple interest problem, right? See, they have given P. Principal is equal to 4,000 rupees. Right. R is equal to rate of interest is 12% per annum. Right. And as well as time is equal to 3 years. So we know that simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. So substitute here P. P is equal to how much? That is 4,000 into time is 3 into R is 12. That divided by 100. Now 2 zeros cancel. Right. 4 3 is 12. 120. 120 into 12. Right, which is nothing but 12 12s are 144. So simple interest becomes how much? 1,440. How much she is supposed to return? That is what the question. So that is nothing but amount is equal to, we know that principal plus simple interest. So amount is 3,000 rupees, not 3,000, 4,000 rupees plus 1,440. Add it. Here what happens here? 5,440 rupees she is supposed to return. This is the answer.